If you own an ag drone, then you know there is an industry-wide problem with generators, especially when fast charging. All you can find is that some work and some don't work. Well, we here at Total Drone Solutions think we figured out the problem. Total Harmonic Distortion, or THD. So, what is THD? Our fast chargers run on alternating current, or AC. Alternating current has a sine wave that looks like this and has a frequency. In the US, the frequency is 60 cycles per second, or 60 hertz. Anytime something has a frequency, it can have harmonics of that frequency. These harmonics stack on top of the fundamental, making our smooth sine wave into a jagged one. This harmonically distorted sine wave is what the load sees. Something like a circular saw does not care about this. However, drone fast chargers are sophisticated electronic devices that need clean power to operate. If there is too much of this harmonic distortion, the charger will go into protect mode and shut itself off. You know what I'm talking about. First you'll hear the generator unload, and then your charger will shut itself off. It will turn back on shortly afterwards, but it will just shut off again. And your batteries will never charge like this. Harmonic distortion becomes a bigger problem as you pull more power from a generator. This is why slow charging from a generator often works. There's not enough current draw to distort the sine wave. But in the field, slow charging just won't cut it for most situations. Harmonic distortion is not typically a problem with mains power. So if you're plugging into a wall outlet in a shop, you won't have to worry about THD. THD is not specified on every generator because most generators are prone to a high percentage of total harmonic distortion. With THD, the lower the number the better, and all the generators we've successfully used to fast charge have an advertised THD of 5% or less. These include the Generac XT8500EFI, the Westinghouse WGEN20000 and WGEN20000 dual fuel. Some of you with keen eyes may have noticed that there are bolts missing off of this panel. That's because this generator doesn't work right now. We actually have two of this same model of generator, and they are both broken at the time of filming. It's really hard to recommend a Westinghouse generator when we're in the middle of fungicide season and both of our main generators died within a day of each other. There's also the Westinghouse WGEN20000. We've ordered a Generac GP15500EFI and a Generac GP18000EFI to test. We'll include those results in a future video. As of now, these are the only 5 generator models we know of that have enough power to fast charge, have low total harmonic distortion, and are widely available. If you know of any other generators that meet these criteria, let us know about them in the comments. I didn't include the DJI generators because they output direct current and there's no problem with compatibility. So if you are considering a generator, check its THD rating. If THD is not listed in that generator's specifications, it's probably so high the manufacturer didn't bother listing it. If you've already bought a generator that won't work with your charger, I'm sorry to say we haven't found any way to make them work. Generators have to be designed from the beginning to have low THD, so there's really no mod or hack available to fix a high THD generator. Thanks for watching the video. We hope we can help you get on top of your crop.